Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's MStax Tutor once again. Today in this video, I want to show you guys how to get free Dofollow backlinks to your website. Free 90 Dofollow backlinks to increase your SEO website traffic. This website I want to show you today is a popular website known as patreon.com. This website allows users to create an account and then publish content linking back to their money site to pass authority and link juice. So as you can see here, this is a 90 DA. This is a very high traffic website. At your own time, you can check and analyze the website to get the traffic metrics, but today I'm not going to go into details doing that for you. I'm only going to show you how you can tap a Dofollow backlink to your site. So let's check this. This is a PA73 PA. That's quite big. So what we're going to do here to get this backlink to our website, we're going to head over to create on Patreon. That is where you have options to create an account with this platform. We're going to click account today. So let's click on this. Here you have options to sign up with your Google account. You have options to sign up with your Facebook account, and you can use your email address to sign up. But I'm going to make it more fast by using my Google account to sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google. Here I'm going to select the email address I want to use. So I'm going to use this to open this account today. All right, so let's wait for this to come up. So now what as you can see, it says what describe your content. Here is where you're going to choose your niche. If you are into business niche, tech niche, music download niche, or any niche you are running, you should be able to select what best describe your niche. So my niche in this tutorial today, I'm going to go with the it's like an agency website. I actually talk about business promotion stuff that has to do with SEO, business optimization. So I'm going to check here to see what suits my niche. This no, I think okay, this is it here. So I'm going to click over to local business and others. So I'm head over to continue. Is your website for 18 and above? Do you have nude content on your website? If yes, then you can click yes. If no, you go with no. So I don't have any nude on my website, so I'm going to head over to the no option and click on the continue button. Yeah, so we're going to use this currency dollar. You can choose anyone based on your location. And do you want to offer exclusive merch? No, I'm going to do yeah, it's recommended, so I'm going to click to continue. So this allows you to actually connect your Facebook account, your Instagram accounts, any of this platform here. You can connect them to the platform. So we're going to head over to continue. This website is huge. It's going to pass authority to your website. So what we're going to do here is to click on start customizing. You are almost ready to launch. So we're going to head over to start customizing to launch our website. So name on Patreon page. This is the name you want. You just say this is like a username. So I'm going to use my business name as my username. My business name is mstaxng, but I'm going to go with the word mstax. And what are you creating? What is your intention? I want to publish an article on the platform, so I'm creating an article. What sounds more correct? mstax is creating article. mstax are creating article. mstax is creating article sounds more correct. So I'm going to go with this. You have options to choose a profile picture, but not really necessary. But in this case, I'm going to go over choosing a profile picture. So I'm going to take this as my profile picture. You can actually upload a cover photo, not really necessary, but in my case, I'm going to do that to make it look more mature and unique. So I'm going with this. All right, so this is the URL. So I'm going to use my business name as my URL on Patreon, and this is it here. mstax is my URL. What's about your Patreon page? This is the first thing potential Patreon will see when they land on your page. So make sure you paint a compelling picture of how they can join you on this journey. So yeah, I'm going to talk about what my page is all about. So I'm going to head over to my website called mstax.com. I'm going to get over to my about page to copy what I want my Patreon page to look like. All right, like you see here, this is how visitors is going to see your site. So you should have something very, very enticing so that people will stick to your website. All right, while the network is loading, let's wait for it to come up. All right, now that I'm on my website, so what I'm going to do next is to get my about page that talks about my business, what my business is all about. So I'm going to copy my about page, or let me take something from here, mstocks and experience xeo. Let me stop here. All right, so this is that I'm going to use to get a backlink from this website. So I'm going to paste it here. So now where you have this article, this allows you to link back to your website. So what I'm going to do here, mstocks is my website URL. You can actually link to any page of your website, but I want to link this to my home page. I want to link, at least you can paste like 2 links here. Anything more than 2 is not acceptable. So I recommend you link at least 2 of your web pages. So here, mstocks and experience blah 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 blah. So I'm going to look for where to insert my link. All right, okay, so I'm going to head over here, mstocks, and then hyperlink, and insert my website link here, and click open in a new tab and insert. We help businesses maximize profit by creating awareness, driving website traffic, blah 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 blah. So I'm done with this. If you have more articles, you can actually publish this here and then link to 1 or 2 of your pages. You can link to your home page and then to your category page or to your article page, anyone you want. At least don't link more than 2 in your article. So I'm okay with this. So I want to link to my home page, being my mstocks home page. So what I'm going to do next is to, okay, this, don't worry, this is optional, so I'm not going to bother about this. It's optional. What I'm going to do next is to click on save changes. So I'm going to click save changes. Wow, I think we are done. Or are we done? So let's see. Finish account details. So we're going to click here, add now. All right, first login name, I'm going to use a random name. Last name, select a country. I'm going to select my country, Nigeria. All right, custom brand color, I'm going to go with this. Public, yes. Local business, not necessary. You can leave this. You can connect your social media platform to make it more legit. You can connect if you want. So adult content, does your work content, adult content, blah blah blah? No. So this option here, where you have option for Google Analytics ID, if you want analytics to track your performance on this platform, if you want to track the performance, you can actually link your Google ID or analytics ID to track the performance of your website, because this website actually has a huge traffic come in daily. This website has a very high traffic. So if you want to track your website performance here on Patreon, you can use the Google Analytics ID, but no need, I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna enable RSS feed, audio feed, no. So I think I'm done with this. So I'm going to click to save changes. Wow, so as you can see, it all shows green mark. So I'm done with account creation. So what I'm going to do next is to click on launch. Before I do that, I want to see how my website looks like on Patreon. So I'm going to click on the preview option here. So when you click on the preview, this is what you're going to get. Wow, so this is an overview of my website here on Patreon 90 DA. We've seen before, is creating article, RTS, blah blah, become blah blah. So this is all about Wix and Bookford. So as you can see, I should have used my name here, mstocks, but next time I'm going to do that here. So as you can see, this is it over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to launch. So I want to launch my website. Yeah, my website is live right now. So now if you have a client website, you want to publish for them, you want to get more. All right, I'm done. Now we have successfully created a do follow backlink from this website. And how do we know this link is do follow? Now we have our modes extension installed, so we're going to click on this pencil icon. When you click on it, it's going to come down like this. You'll see this green icon. When you click on it, yeah, this is a do follow backlink. So if it's a no follow backlink, it will show this purple here. So this is not a no follow backlink, so it's actually a do follow backlink. So guys, this is how you get a 90 DA do follow backlink from this website called Python. All right, so do this and I'm sure you're gonna get a do follow backlink pointing to your website. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching.